Okay, I have a bottle of 2-liter Dr. Pepper here. As you can see, it's liquid. I'm going to pour it in this cup. And this is to demonstrate pressure. The bottle is really tight. I can't hardly even squeeze it. So there's some pressure on the bottle. We're going to open it up. I don't know if you can see, but immediately after we open it up, the top started becoming slushy. And as you pour it out here, you can see slush coming out. I'm having to squeeze the bottle to get it. I don't know if you can see it in there. See the ice on top? So the question is why did this freeze? Let me get another cup. You can see the ice chunk sitting up on top. Here's a clear Quick Trip cup so that we can see it. The ice is so thick I'm having to squeeze it just to get it to come out. You can see the big chunk of ice right there up on top. So this is to demonstrate what pressure does with a temperature on soda pop. And this is just my example because I use soda pop and I was fixing to drink pop. I've got a really good refrigerator that I put my pop in, and an unopened pop, and it holds pressure, so the pressure keeps it from freezing. As soon as the pressure goes away, the temperature is so cold on the pop that it freezes. So I'm Brian McClure. I'm the Ford Technical Recruiting Liaison for the Oklahoma Ford dealers, and I help people get jobs as technicians in Ford dealerships. If you or you know somebody who wants a job or would like to talk to me about this and find out some more information, give me a call, 918-928-7433, or email me at fordoktptc@gmail.com. This is a good job. This is a good career to be in, pays well, it's got good job satisfaction, job security. You can do this. I did it. You can do it. You can make a good living at it. And this is no joke. It's a pretty good profession. Have a great day.